Here we are releasing a nightjar. These are birds who feed at night, who fly at night, and this one was found unconscious lying on the road 2 weeks before. They are related to swallows and prey on moths, which they can see flying above them in the night sky. So releasing this bird as the moon is rising and waxing, I felt was probably a good idea.
His eyes are closed.
Yeah, I don't understand this.
Just choke him a little bit, see if he does something.
And though he still seems dazed at first, he had made it very clear to me that he wanted to go. And I felt that keeping him any longer would not have been good for him.
Why is he sleeping? Did he eat as usual?
Yes.
Yeah?
Just enough so that he wouldn't, he wouldn't be hungry right away.
Hey, baby, what are you doing?
If he doesn't feel he wants, he's ready, I guess.
Oh. Oh. We just don't know how he happened to be here.
Maybe he really doesn't feel well enough. I just don't know.
And now he has his big eyes open, but maybe he's scared of the noise. Now he has his eyes opened, but doesn't seem to want to go. Huh? Okay, you know what? Take him close to you. We're going to walk a little bit more away.
It was actually darker than it looks in this video, and as it got dark, we looked around for the bird just to make sure that he was all right. And then Nightjars started calling all around us.